guys, and we're back with another week 3 of school lunch ideas. Today is like a little quick lunch for them going back to school for Labor Day, after Labor Day. So Damarion is just gonna have a peanut butter and jelly sandwich, cucumbers with his ranch dip. I'm going to let him try out some kiwi, and of course he's gonna have his yogurt and his cheese stick, and he'll have his water. Damara will have her Welch's grape drink. She'll also have kiwi and a cheese stick, and in this bag she will have a PB&J sandwich as well. I put it in here because the last time I gave her, I think, strawberries and blueberries, she said they leaked into this. So I put this in the bag so the sandwich won't get wet and soggy if it does leak. That is what they're having for today, and we'll see you guys later. Okay guys, we're back, and Damarion ate everything. He said he didn't like these cucumbers, but he said he likes the kiwi, even though he has a couple left. But he ate everything else. Damara ate everything I packed: her PB&J sandwich, her kiwi, and her cheese stick. And they drank their water and everything, so they did good today. And we'll see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, welcome back. Today is Wednesday, and we're going to be seeing what Damarion is having for lunch today. He will have the white cheddar Cheez-Its, and I made them a BLT pasta with bacon, lettuce, tomato. And then he'll have his little treat, which is dipped Oreos, and he'll have raisins and grapes and kiwi, his Honest drink, and I found some more of these in the refrigerator, so I want him to use these up before they go bad. So this is what he will be having today. Okay, tomorrow will be having the same thing, basically. BLT pasta salad, grapes and kiwi, and white cheddar Cheez-Its. And she'll have Ben Bites fudge dipped Oreos. Hers is the original scent. Damarion's was mint, which these taste like the mint Girl Scout cookies. She doesn't like that, but they're good. And then she'll just have a Capri Sun fruit punch flavor. And we will see you guys later. Okay guys, we're back, and Damarion ate most of his pasta. He ate his fruit, and he ate everything else he had, and he drank his yogurt. Damara ate most of her pasta, some of her fruit, some of the crackers, and she drank all of her juice. So I guess I could say that they like the BLT pasta that I came up with. And we'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay guys, we're back, and today is Thursday, and Damarion is going to be having Annie's graham crackers as the chocolate chip and chocolate honey. He's going to be having the little wiener hot dogs with barbecue sauce, grapes and raisins, and then he's just gonna have this go-go squirts in the peach. Said he wanted that. And then he's gonna have the last yogurt in the cookies and cream crush chocolate milkshake yogurt, and then his water. And then Damara's gonna have her water, and in her thermos I have the water in here. I put it in here a lot sooner because last time she said it didn't keep
warm, so I was like, let the hot water stay in there longer. But she's just gonna have the weenies too. I'm just waiting to put them into the container. So she's gonna have some Cheez-Its and fudge mini strips, and she'll have kiwi. And that is what they will have for today, and we will catch you guys later. Hey guys, we're back, and we're going to see what Damarian finished eating. Damara left her lunchbox at school in her locker, so we can't see what she ate. So today, Damarian drank his yogurt. He ate most of his barbecue hot dogs, and he ate, what did we have right here? I know he had raisins, and he ate that, and he ate some of the graham cracker Annie bunnies, and then he ate this as well. And you guys, I don't remember what was right here, but he ate it. I'll have to go back in the video and see what I actually gave him, but I'm surprised he didn't eat all his grapes. But yeah, so I think that he did pretty good. And Damara said that she ate all of her lunch, but we don't know that because we don't have our lunch box here. But we'll see you guys tomorrow to see what they're taking in their Friday lunch. Okay guys, we're back, and today is Friday. Today, Damarian will be eating for lunch. He normally does not eat the string cheese, but we had some left because my daughter Damara usually eats them, but it had this little Paw Patrol on there, so I was like, maybe he will eat it, so we'll see. And then I put these peanut butter power-ups, and then he has these little Eggo toaster cinnamon bites with strawberry jelly, and then he has carrots, strawberry applesauce, and raisins, and his flavored water. Okay, this is what Damara will take. She'll have the Honest Kids Berry Good Lemonade. I got these for Damarian, but she likes these. And then she'll finish her last churro caramel dip. And then she'll take these, it's like the ham with the cheese. Ham wrapped around cheese. And then some chili cheese Fritos. And she left her lunchbox, so I'm going to put them into these snack bags by Square One. And that is what they'll be having, and we'll see you guys later. Okay guys, so we're back, and Damara ate basically her peanut butter and jelly, but it does not look like she ate these. She did not eat these Doritos though. I wonder what happened, because I gave her Doritos, peanut butter and jelly, and then she had those Oreo fudge dips. So I don't know. She probably will say that she didn't have time. And then Damarian ate his sandwich, the peanut butter power balls, applesauce. He didn't eat his string cheese, and it doesn't look like he touched the carrots. So that is what they did for today, this Friday, and we will see you guys next week for some new lunch ideas. Catch you guys later.